everybody, I'm Long and today my work is PE3 week 11 and today our topic is exponents part 5. I need to redo this video because I think my 3 last video is too bad and today I will redo it. And let's start with our topic, exponents 5, part 5. So what does exponents mean? Exponents mean that a quantity representing the power to which is given numbers or expressions. Expressions mean the numbers, like the numbers between, and it is the larger numbers, and on top of it we can see the small numbers, which is exponents. Let's start with numbers 1, our first problem. For this problem we have 8 subtract 6 times 3 subtract 8 exponents 5. So for this, first we'll calculate in the parentheses and we'll have the minus or negative numbers, because 3 subtract 8 is the smaller, subtract larger, so we cannot subtract, we will change it into the negative numbers. And next we will calculate the exponents, and the last we will just subtract all the numbers we have left, and our final answer is minus 117. For problem 2, we will apply the pattern, multiply two numbers to the same exponents. So what does it mean? It means that when two numbers have different expressions but the same exponents, we can put the expressions in the parentheses and we put the exponents outside of the parentheses, and when we calculate the numbers in the parentheses we will give out one new numbers, and then we will add in the exponents so we can have our final answers. And for problem 3, we also apply the same rule, but this is the divided form, not the multiplying form. So we will change it into dividings, and we also put it in the parentheses because this is divided to two numbers to the same exponents. So it is just like applying the same rule and the pattern of just like the problem number 2, and our last answer is 5 exponent 2, which is 25. For problem 4, we have 3 small problems in it, A, B, and C. For problem A and B, it is quite easy because we just apply the pattern and then we do it again, but it is not changing anything. But for problem B, we just add the times 2 and we put it in the parentheses. If we don't have the parentheses, it will have the different meaning. And for problem C, it is not as easy as the 2 problems before it. We need to calculate 2 more steps to give out our final answers, and our final answer is 4x exponents 2. For problem number 5, I think I don't have the pattern for solving it, but I have the answers. 70 exponent 2. This is the perfect square because it is the closest to 5,000. Because if the square of the square is larger than 70, it is larger than 5,000. And if it is smaller than 70, for example 69 or 68, it is not the closest and the largest square and the perfect square that is closest to 5,000. So I think 70 exponent 2 is the perfect square, and it is also the answer of this problem. For problem 6, we have the pattern odd and even exponents for negative numbers. What does it mean? It is mean that when we have the exponents for the negative numbers, if the exponents is the even numbers, the negative numbers will change into natural numbers, and if the exponents is the odd numbers, it is still the negative numbers and it cannot change into the natural numbers. And for this problem, we have minus 1 exponent 2008 and plus minus 1 exponents 2007 times 2 exponents 2 or exponents 3. So we have 1 plus minus 1 equal to 0 and then times 64. And we all know that 0 times every numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or also 100. It is still 0 because we have nothing to multiply. For problem number 7, we have to find the largest numbers, and for this problem I think I don't have the formula or the pattern too, because it is just like choosing the numbers. And for this problem I think the first number 2 exponent 3 exponent 4 is the largest number because it has the largest exponents too, so I think it is the largest numbers. So this is the end of my videos. After this I learned a lot of form and pattern in exponents problem, and that is the end of my video today too. Goodbye and thank you for listening.